Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to color code your calendar in Notion. This is a fantastic way to organize your schedule visually, making it easier to distinguish between different types of tasks, meetings, or projects at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Notion workspace and open the calendar page you wish to color code. This could be your main calendar or any specific project calendar you're working with. Once you have it open, look towards the upper right corner of your calendar view for a toggle-like icon. It typically resembles stacked sliders or switches, and clicking on it will give you access to the calendar's customization options. When you click that icon, a menu will appear with several options. Go ahead and select Edit Properties from this menu. This is where you'll configure the properties that will determine how your calendar items are categorized and color-coded. If you don't already have a property set up for color coding, you'll need to create one. Click on New Property, and from the drop-down options, choose either Select or Multi-Select, depending on whether you want each calendar entry to have one category or multiple. Next, give your new property a meaningful name. Something like Category or Status works well because it clearly indicates what the property represents. Now comes the fun part. You'll add options for this property by typing in labels that make sense for your workflow. These could be things like urgent, meeting, personal, or anything else that helps you organize your calendar entries. For each option you create, click on its name to assign it a distinct color. This is what will visually differentiate your calendar items. After you've set up your property and color options, close the Properties menu. Now look for a conditional color option in the calendar view settings. Click on New Color Settings to activate this feature. Here you'll select the property you just created or updated. This tells Notion to apply your color coding system to the calendar items based on the property values you've assigned. Finally, start assigning these property options to your calendar entries. As you do this, you'll immediately see the colors reflected in your calendar view, making it much easier to scan your schedule and understand what's coming up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.